Okay, real talk. You probably think about car insurance exactly never. Like it ranks somewhere between what is a mortgage and how does a fax machine work on your list of things you care about. You get in the car, connect your phone, and just go. But fun fact, the second you got your license, your parents' insurance bill said it's my time to shine and absolutely skyrocketed. And here's the wild part. What you do behind the wheel is now directly connected to how much your parents pay every month. So buckle up because we're about to talk about something that sounds boring, but it's actually about your money eventually. When insurance companies look at teen drivers, they're not personally judging you. They don't care that you're responsible or that you aced your driver's test or that you're definitely a better driver than your older sibling, even though you are. All they see is data. And the data says new drivers crash more. They get distracted more and have a truly impressive ability to misjudge distances. Does that mean you will? No. But insurance runs on vibes. Statistics, not your good intentions. Most of the time, driving is incredibly boring. School, practice, friend's house, home, repeat. That's normal. Insurance companies expect that. But then there's that one moment, a quick phone glance, following too close because the person in front of you is driving like they're sightseeing, a left turn where you swore you had more space. These moments are rare, but when they happen, they're expensive, very expensive. Like your parents will bring this up at Thanksgiving 5 years from now, expensive. Here's what nobody tells you. Your parents are not paying more because you're young and chaotic. Time plus clean driving equals lower rates. Every month that goes by without tickets, accidents, or claims is quietly working in your favor. It's like building credit, but for not crashing. Let's talk tickets, not the dramatic arrested for street racing kind, just regular ones, going 10 over, rolling through a stop sign, and it's fine lane change that a cop disagreed with. These feel like no big deal when you get them, but to insurance companies, the red flags scream, this person takes risks. Even if you don't see yourself that way, even if it was literally one time and the speed limit change was unclear. Here's the worst part. A ticket right after you're added to the policy hurts more than one a few years later. Your early driving record is like your reputation in a new school. It sets the tone for everything. Keep it clean early and life gets easier. Even small accidents matter. Bump someone in a parking lot, tap someone's bumper at a red light, no injuries, car's fine, everyone's cool. Insurance is not cool with that. A claim stays on your record for years. And during that time, your parents are paying more at every renewal. It's like insurance has the memory of that one friend who never lets anything go. This is where everyday habits actually matter. Not dramatic, movie-style defensive driving, just boring driving. Leave earlier so you're not rushing. Put your phone literally anywhere you can't reach it. Slow down in areas you don't know well. Use your turn signal even when no one's around. None of this is exciting, but boring driving is cheap driving. And cheap driving is what your parents are desperately hoping for every time you take the car. Most teens don't connect this to insurance, but when and where you drive also matters. Late night driving equals higher claim rates. Multiple friends in the car equals more distractions. Unfamiliar areas equals higher risk. Does this mean something bad will happen? No. Does it mean the odds tilt slightly against you? Yeah, and insurance is all about those odds. So you can still drive at night. You can still give your friends rides. Just be aware that these situations need more focus. Treat them casually and mistakes happen easier. Treat them seriously and nothing happens, which is exactly what insurance rewards. Wild fact, many insurance companies give discounts for good grades. Not because a B+ in AP Bio makes you automatically better at parallel parking, but statistically, students who stay engaged in school have fewer claims. It's pattern recognition, not a judgment on your life choices. So when your parents ask for your report card for insurance, they're not being annoying. Okay, maybe they are, but not about this. They're trying to lock in discounts that could last years. Free money for doing something you're already doing, not the worst deal. Vehicle choice matters, even though you probably don't get the final say. Sports cars, high horsepower vehicles, heavily modded cars equals expensive to insure. Safer, common vehicles with good safety ratings equals way less expensive. This is why your parents get weirdly emotional when you mention wanting something fun. They're not just thinking about gas money, they're thinking about insurance math, even if they don't explain it that way. Over time, if you keep your record clean, something cool happens. The insurance company stops seeing you as a teen driver and starts seeing you as a driver with actual history. That transition is quiet but powerful. Rates stabilize, increases slow down, discounts start sticking around. Your parents definitely notice when renewals stop jumping every 6 months, and that's usually not luck. It's proof building up that you're predictable behind the wheel. Here's the thing, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be consistent. One mistake doesn't ruin everything, patterns do. Insurance responds to repeated signals, not isolated moments. So if you want to help your parents without having awkward money talks, here's the actual checklist. Drive boring. Avoid tickets. Treat your phone like it's in airplane mode. It should be. Take even small accidents seriously. Keep grades up if discounts apply. Remember, the first few years matter most. When you do those things, nothing dramatic happens. And that's exactly the point. Insurance rewards quiet years. Parents appreciate quiet years. And you build a record that makes everything cheaper as you get older. Best part, all this helps you too. Lower insurance costs follow you into adulthood. Fewer headaches when you switch cars, way less stress when you're on your own policy someday. The habits you build now are not just protecting your parents' wallet, they're setting up future you for success. Think of it like this. Every time you drive, ask yourself, would this make an insurance company more confident in me or less? You want the answer to be more confident, even if nothing exciting happened. That's really it. Quiet driving, fewer surprises, steady habits over time. I make videos breaking down insurance stuff in actual English, so if this was helpful, hit that like button or subscribe. Trust me, future you will thank you. Thanks for watching, and seriously, drive boring. It's a flex.